trash. And this house sticky. Sticky bread and on my hair. I strapped my hair and I'm dragon. And re-dragon. And strap my head and I'm monster. Ah! That's the noise. A big noise. Big noise.
Big noise?
Yeah.
Is that all?
Yeah. I know that noise. And that's scary.
And what about Kenny?
I got the candy.
What'd you say?
Got candy. I
What?
got him.
And what did you do?
I grabbed candy.
You grabbed Kenny?
Uh-huh.
And then what?
The dragon comes out. No. He's there. And there's noise. The scared dragon grabbed me and hiding.
What about Lorida?
I'm hiding there. A scared dragon. And there's another scary dragon. And I'm hiding there in the blanket.
You're hiding in the blanket?
And there, and I hide, and it got sticky on the
And
and you can't find candy there, then trash.
you found Kenny in the trash?
And what's that noise?
What about Lorida?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
This monster.
Monster got her?
Uh-huh.
Is she okay?
Uh-huh.
Where is she now?
And the doctor.
She's at the doctor?
And yeah, I'm gonna stick him.
Huh. Well, that's interesting, Charlie.
Huh. Look at this.
And where's Kenny now?
In the bed.
In the bed?
Hmm.
Well, that is the truest thing you've said. What about Daddy?
Daddy got grabbing and make a drown, make a big holy mess.
Big holy mess.
On the office.
In the office?
Yes.
Huh. And what did Daddy say?
I had to clean up and there's a dog. It's get back, and get back.
Huh. I love you.
And get back.
I love you.
And get back. And still him too. And I gave him my boots and it got sticky.
You kicked him with your boots and they got sticky?
Yeah.
Hmm.
And he was mad my beat.
And ooh, you smell something in your boot?
Yeah, and it's a dragon there. And Maggie, where was I going?
Charlie,
Huh?
I love you.
Okay, I just love you.
Okay, I'm glad you just love me.